This is practice problem number 1 from lesson 1, moving in the plane, and it's unit 1, rigid transformations and congruence. And this is the short version. In this problem, you are to describe how this shape moves from one frame to the next. Now, from one frame to the next, it's a movement within this same square. They're just showing the movement in the next frame. So this shape is actually staying in the same square. It's not moving from here to here. It's moving from here to here, for example. Now I can show that using the video that I'm going to show you, but it's hard to show just as a static single image on a piece of paper. So they're showing it from one frame to the next. This is like a movie strip. It goes from here to here to here to here to here to here, but it's just movement within a single square. So this shape, which is a pentagon, by the way, it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts out in the lower left corner. Then it ends up in the upper left corner. So it slides up the square and ends up in position number 2 in the upper left corner. So now it's up here. Now it's going to change its position. It's going to stay in the same spot, but now it's going to turn or rotate 90 degrees to the left. That's a 90-degree counterclockwise, the opposite way that a clock moves, rotation. It's going to rotate 90 degrees to the left. And so now it's going to go from this position in the upper left corner, and it's going to end up down here. So this pentagon is sliding diagonally. A diagonal is a line that's drawn from this vertex all the way down to this vertex through the middle. So this is sliding in a diagonal direction from this position down to this position. So it's not rotating at all. It's staying in the same orientation. It's just sliding across the square down to this point. And now it's going to stay in that lower right corner, but it's going to rotate again. And now this is a 90-degree rotation to the right. So look at this point right here. It's going to end up down here. So that's a 90-degree rotation clockwise in the direction that a clock moves. So now it's going to move from this position back to the beginning spot. So this pentagon ends up where it started. It's going to slide across the square back to its starting point back here.